Hi everyone. So today we are going to make QR code. The steps for making QR code is very simple. First of all, we are going to log into our drive, Google Drive. If you don't have account in Google Drive, the account which you have in Gmail is the same one. You have to just log into your Gmail and go on to Google Drive. It will open up your Google Drive. Once you are into the Google Drive page, you have to upload the PDF file for which you want to make the QR code. As suppose I have uploaded the PDF file for these things, as you see, these are all I have uploaded in my Google Drive. So from there, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the shareable link of it. The link, as you see, it says link copied to the clipboard. Okay, now I'm going to open up the QR page. See, there are several pages which from where you can make free QR codes. Okay, but the one which I use is this one, QR code generator. It's a Unitag one. I'll show you this one. If you don't have account in Unitag QR code, you have to first open up an account. It's a free registration. Okay, as I already have an account with QR code, so I don't have to go through the registration process. Even though if you don't have, I'll show you how you can make it. Now where it says start for free, not yet registered, you just have to put in your email address, then click on register for free. Okay, and then it will ask you to give up your to make up a password, and then you have to register your email address with this account, and then your account will be registered, and then you will be in the dashboard in the login page. Once you are in the dashboard in the login page, you have to create the QR code from there itself. The steps are very simple. The page is getting loaded. Now where it says start and create a QR code, just click on it. Now basically I'll tell you one thing, there are two kinds of QR code, dynamic and static. What is dynamic code? The dynamic QR code is where you are keep on changing the content in the code. Now suppose someday you created a code, and then after some day you are going to change the content in the website or in the PDF file, something like that. Then the code will be same, but the content will be keep on changing. Okay, whereas the static code is the same. Once the QR code has been generated, you cannot change it at any moment. Okay, so I'm going to make a static one, because in the free version dynamic code they can only make only one, and whereas I can make a plenty number of static code which is for free. Okay, now once you click on static code, where it is asking for the destination, enter a destination URL. As you know, the URL which I had already copied in the clipboard. So I'm just going to press Ctrl plus V from my keyboard. It will paste the URL, and then I'll click on confirm. Now as you see, the QR code is already been made. It's already been created. Now I'm going to make a little bit of changes like this. As you see, this is a little bit readable. Okay, you make sure the codes which you are going to make, it should be readable. Now I'm going to put a little logo of our restaurant in between, so it will look little, good. So the steps are very simple. It's very easy to make. I have already clicked on upload. As you see, the logo is been created now and it is already there. The QR code is now been created. There are many things like eyes and everything. You can make a little changes in it also, but I don't need to go into that deeply. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on save and close. Now it is asking for me to write the name of the QR code. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just write the croissant as it was for the croissant. Okay, now it's done. It's already created now. This is the URL. I'm going to download this. Fine. The code is now been downloaded. So this is the code. Okay. Now you can scan it and enjoy using it. Thank you.